Hello everyone, welcome to Vishesh Educational Videos. So in this video, I am explaining different types of list methods, the methods that are supported in list data type in Python. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. To get the notification of my new videos, please click the bell icon. So please don't forget to like the video and please don't forget to share the video with your friends. Please support by clicking the subscribe button. So let me begin the explanation of list methods. First of all, you need to understand what is a method. A method is same as function. So function, what it does, it will do some specific task. Whatever the task I am going to assign, that will be done by method. For example, assume that I want to add some two numbers. I can create a method to add the numbers and to display the result, right? So method is same as function. It is going to do some task, small tasks. So here only difference is a method is this method is called on list values. Here in this case, list methods are used with the values that are present in the list. We will understand by giving the example. I will explain. We will understand that the method part comes after the value separated by a period. So what is the meaning of it? See here, index is the example. Index is a method. So you can see how you are going to call that method. You are going to take the name of the variable what you are using, right? After that you are using a dot operator, that is period operator, and next you are using a method. So method should be always separated with a dot operator or a period operator. So that's what I'm telling. Okay, so every data type has the methods. For example, string has some methods. Okay, integer has some methods. In the same way, list is also having some methods. Using that methods, you can change, you can modify, or you can remove, or you can add the values. So you can do whatever you want in a list by using these methods. You can do changes. Okay, now what are those methods? The first list method is the index method. So you can find a value that is present in the list. If you want to find any specific value that is present in the list, you can do that using a index method. So for example, see, if the value exists in the list, the index of the value is returned. If the value isn't not there in the list, it produces a error. Suppose, see this example. This is a list. List name is spam. This contains some strings like hello, hi, howdy, hey, yes. These are the some items that are present in the list. Now I want to find some value within the list. Suppose what I will do, I will call that method spam.index hello. Now this index will return the index of a string hello. Now you know that index of the list starts from 0. So here 0 index contains hello, 1 index contains hi, 2 index contains howdy, 3 index contains chaos. So when I call spam.index hello, what is the value of the index there? 0. So see, so the output will be 0. So in this way, I can use the index method to find out the index value of a particular item in the list. In the same way, spam.index IAS. IAS, what is the index value of IAS? Starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. IAS index value is 3. So it will print 3. Now what I'm trying to do is, see, spam.index, I'm trying for the string howdy. This is string howdy. I'm trying to access the string howdy, but the problem here is howdy string is not there in the list. So it will display a error. That's why I told you, if the value exists, it will print the index value. If the value doesn't exist, it will print the error. Here this value howdy is not present in the list. Only four elements are there, that is hello, hi, howdy, hi as. Howdy is not there. That's why it's a error. Next, suppose when there are duplicates, that means if the values are repeated in the list, then the index take the first appearance. The index take only the first appearance. What is the meaning? See, Spam is equal to Zoofy, Puka, Fattail, Puka. So see, Puka appeared two times in the list. So index, which value it will take? It will take first Puka value. That is index one will be printed. One more Puka value is present in index 3, but index 3 value is not printed because index 3 is the second appearance. So first Puka is the, that is one, index 1 is the first appearance, so it will take the value 1, it will take the value 1 because that is the first appearance. Okay, next, index method is over. If you want to add the values to the Python, how to do that? If you want to add new values to the list, you can do that using a two functions. That is, one is append function and another one is insert function or insert method, append method or insert method. Now to add new values, you can use these two methods, that is append and insert. Now we will see the example. First, in this example, I will try to add the value using a append method call. See, append always adds the new element at the end of the list, that is right side of the list. For example, see this list, it contains three elements, that is cat, dog, bat. Now I will try to append moose into the list. I try to add that. Now definitely it will add that, but we at the end of the list it will add. That means after the bat it will add. See, moose will be added after the bat. That means right side it will add. That is at the end of the list it will add. Which one? The append method. Now insert method. What is the difference between append and insert method? Insert method can insert a value at any index in the list. But in append, it is always inserted at the end of the list. But in index, you can insert at the any place, at the any, right, at the any index you can insert the value. For example, see, so we will see this. So this insert takes two arguments. The insert method takes two arguments. So first one is the new value. New value means where we have to insert, right? Where we have to insert. And the second argument is the what value we have to insert. Where we have to insert, the first argument. Second is the what value you have to insert. We will see the example. See, so same list we have. So here I am trying to insert chicken. Chicken at what index? Index 1. But here, before inserting, what is the value of the index 1? We have dog here. At the index 1, we have a dog value. Now I am trying to insert the chicken value at the index 1. Chicken value at the index 1. So first value is the index value where we have to insert, and the second value is what we have to insert at that particular value. So see the output: cat, chicken, dog, bat. Now at the place of dog, chicken is inserted because I inserted the chicken value at the index 1. So at the index 1, now chicken value is inserted. So in this way, you can insert any value on any index using the insert method. Append, you can't insert on any position. It will insert the value only on the end of the list. Only on the end of the list. So, right. Now, one more important thing, methods. String methods can't be used with the list methods. So every methods have a separate, sorry, every data types have a separate method. Okay, methods can belongs to single data type. Now, see, the append and insert methods are list methods and can handle only on list values. You can't use append and insert on different data types like string. Append can't be used in string. Append and insert can't be used in string. No, append and insert can be used only on list values. For example, see x dot append word. See, hello is a string. I'm trying to append with a string. No, it will take an error. Back on is equal to 42. 42 is integer. I'm trying to insert with the integer. No, you can't use this insert and append in a different data types. You can use only with the list values. Okay. Next, so far insert, append, and index completed. Now is remove method. As the name suggests, remove is used to remove the values from the list. Very simple. So the remove method is going to remove the value. For example, see directly I'll move to the example spam dot remove bat. So directly it will remove bat value from the list. So you can see now after removing the bat, the output is cat, rat, elephant. Now, if you try to remove the value that is not in the list, it will display error. For example, see spam dot remove chicken. You are trying to remove the value chicken, but see in the list chicken is not at all there. You are trying to remove the value that is not there in the list. So that's why it will display error. It will display error. Only you can remove the existing value. You can't remove the value that is not existing in the list. Okay. And if the value appears multiple times in the list, which one will be removed first? So the first instance will be removed first. For example, say take this. I'm trying to take this example. I'll trying to remove cat. You can observe cat appeared three times here. How many times? Cat appeared three times. In the index value 0, in the index value 3, in the index value 5. Cat appeared in 0, 3, and 5. But the first appearance is what? 0. So it will remove cat from the position 0. So you see the output. Cat value from the 0th index is removed. Right. Now, when to use the delete statement and when to use the remove. When you know the value that is present in the list, suppose here I know the value that is cat that is present in the list. Now you know the value, right? That's why you prefer remove. If you don't know the value, what is the value that is present in the list? You don't know what type of value that is there in the list. Then you should go for delete statement, not for remove. Okay. Next, last method of a list, sorting. So sorting, as the name suggests, you can sort the values either in alphabetical order. If it's a letter, so you can sort it in alphabetical order. If it's integers, you can sort it in ascending order or descending order. So this sorting can be used with lists of strings, and also it can be used with integers also, right? It can be used with numbers also, it can be used with strings also. List of numbers or list of strings, both numbers and strings are supported in by sort method. Okay. For example, see this is the list, it contains values, it is not in a order, it's not sorted. When you call spam dot sort, it will sort according to the ascending order, smaller to larger, smaller to larger. See minus 7 is the smallest here. That's why starting from minus 7, it is going to sort to the largest. So that is 5. Next, not only integers, you can sort strings also. Now see, spam dot sort. So it is going to sort the strings. How you are going to start means based on the alphabetical order. You can see A, B, C, D, E. See, A ant starts from A, Bad girls starts from B, cat starts from C, dog starts from D, elephant starts from E. So based on the alphabetical order, it's going to sort for strings. Suppose if you want to write sort in reverse orders, that means alphabetical orders by default it will start from A. Now I want to sort from the last letter, not from the starting letter. How to do that means using a reverse keyword. See, spam dot sort reverse is equal to true. It will sort, but it will sort in a reverse order. For example, see elephants, dogs, cats, bad girls, ants. Ants displayed last year, elephant displayed first year. Reverse order, not from the regular order. It's going to sort like this. By using reverse is equal to true, you can achieve this. In a sort method, you can pass this argument reverse is equal to true. Okay. Next, We cannot sort list that contain both the numbers and the strings. No, either your list should contain numbers or you should contain strings. It can't contain the mixture of both the values. That means numbers and strings doesn't. It can't mix numbers and strings. See, for example, here in this list, 1 2 3 4, 1 3 2 4 is the integer, Alice and Bob is the string. You are mixing integer and string in a single list and you are trying to sort. It is going to display error because either it should all the values should be integer or all the values should be string. Integer and string should not be mixed. Okay, if it is mixed, it will display error. Python will display error. Now, by default, sort uses uppercase order rather than actual lowercase sorting. Always it will prefer uppercase sorting. See, uppercase sorting it will use. See, Alice, see, Bob, Carl. After uppercase letters, starting, you can observe starting letters or uppercase letters. After uppercase letters, it is going to take the smaller case letters. See, by default, it will take uppercase letters. Next it will take the lowercase letter, but if you want to reverse that, if you want to tell the Python to take the lowercase letters first then the uppercase letters, you can do that also by using the argument to the sort function. That argument is key is equal to string dot lower. So it will start from the lowercase letter, it will start the sorting from the lowercase letter. For example, see, this list is sorted according to the lowercase letter. See, first it will take the small case, then uppercase, then the lowercase, again then the uppercase. See, lowercase followed by the uppercase, lowercase followed by the uppercase. Okay, in this way we can change the sorting order. Okay, so that's it, guys. Hope you understood the concepts. Suppose if you have any doubts, please post your doubts in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. Please support by subscribing. Thank you.